Listen up, it's January 2026, and right now, thousands of people are adding $1,000 to $5,000 plus to their monthly income using AI side hustles that nobody talks about yet. These aren't the boring chat-gapped content farms or Midjourney art sales. These are uncommon, high-demand ones with low competition, zero startup cost, and no need to show your face or build an audience. Forbes is calling 2026 the year AI reshapes side income with agentic tools, making everything possible for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly 5 proven hustles, the free tools to use, step by step, how to start today, realistic earnings proof, and how to avoid the mistakes that kill 90% of new hustlers. If you're in Pakistan or anywhere and want real extra cash without quitting your job, smash that like button now and stay till the end. I'll even give you my free starter prompts in the comments. Let's get into it. Quick reality check. AI isn't just hype anymore. Gartner says 40% of enterprise apps will have AI agents by end 2026. Small businesses and creators are desperate for fast, cheap automation and content help, but they don't know how. That's your opportunity. These 5 are uncommon because low saturation on Upwork or Fiverr, right? No high ticket potential, 51K per project. All start with free tiers of Toolsimi passive once you set a proof. Reddit threads and LinkedIn posts show beginners hitting 2K 4K month in 60 days. One guy on Medium scaled AI podcast editing to 5K month. Another did video dubbing for YouTubers and hit $5,000. All, no experience needed. Let's dive into each one. Hustle 1. AI-powered podcast editing and enhancement. 5 min. Podcasts are booming, but editing takes hours. Offer AI-accelerated editing. Tools. Free start. ElevenLabs voice enhancement cloning. Descript auto remove filler words. Overdub. Riverside AI features. Step by step. Create gig on Upwork or Fiverr. Fast AI podcast editing 75 to 50 episode. Client sends raw audio upload to Descript AI cleans filler. Levels audio. ElevenLabs for intro or outro voice, if needed. Export. Deliver with show notes generated by Claude. Pricing. Starter $75 30-min episode. Pro $200 plus full production. Earnings. 5-10 clients or month equals 1K 3K. Demo. Show 30 sec before or after clip in Descript. Mistake to avoid. Don't overpromise perfect human level. Emphasize speed or AI boost. Scale. Batch edit multiple episodes. Charge retainers for weekly shows. Hustle 2. AI video localization and dubbing for creators. 6 min. English YouTubers want to go global. Translate plus dub into Spanish, Arabic, French, etc. Huge demand. Tools. ElevenLabs voice cloning dubbing. Hagen or RAS.ai lip sync AI. CapCut AI subtitles. Step by step. Find clients. Comment on YouTube videos. I can dub your content into Arabic for more views, or LinkedIn outreach. Take video URL, extract audio. Claude translates script. ElevenLabs clones voice in target language. Sync in Hagen. Deliver dubbed video plus subtitles. Charge $150,600 per 10 min video. Earnings. 5-15 videos or month equals 2K 5K plus. Demo. Show short English clip dubbed Arabic version. Tip. Start with popular niches like motivation or tech reviews. Mistake. Poor lip sync. Always test quality. Scale. Hire freelancers for volume. Hustle 3. Freelance prompt engineering and AI workflow setup. 5 min. Businesses pay big for perfect prompts that save time. Platforms. Upwork Gigs Expert AI Prompt Engineer 5400 Project. Step by step. Practice. Use Claude or Grok to create prompts for marketing, code, images. Offer packages. 10 custom prompts, $150. Full workflow setup 300800. Deliver Google Doc with prompts plus results examples. Earnings. 4-8 clients or month equals 1K 4K. Demo. Show before or after prompt improvement in Claude. Tip. Niche in e-com or product descriptions. Mistake. Generic prompts always customize. Scale. Sell prompt packs on Gumroad Passive. Hustle 4. Custom no-code AI wrappers and automations for small businesses. 5 min. Shops or coaches need simple AI tools. Auto replies. Lead qualifiers. Tools. N8 and free. Open source. Make.com. Gumloot. Step by step. Target FB groups. Small business owners. Pakistan, USA. Build workflow. New lead AI qualifies auto email or SIM Slack notification. Charge 3001. 200 setup plus 99 month maintenance. Earnings. 3-6 clients equals 2K 5K plus. Demo. If N8 and build simple lead agent. Tip. Offer free 15 min audit. Mistake. No contracts. Use PandaDoc. Scale. Template library. Hustle 5. AI generated digital products on autopilot. Etsy Gumroad for min. Create once. Sell forever. Planners. Ebooks. Graphics. Tools. Midjourney or Claude for content. Canva AI. Step by step. Niche. Fitness planners. Business prompts packs. Generate 10-20 products. Upload to Etsy or Gumroad. Promote via Pinterest, Reddit. Earnings. 5003K month passive after launch. Demo. Show quick Midjourney generation. Tip. Use AI for SEO titles or descriptions. Mistake. No marketing pin daily. General mistakes. Jumping between hustles. No portfolio. Weak outreach. Tips. Pick one hustle first. Build card portfolio. Use LinkedIn DMs or F groups. Pakistan advantages. Low costs. VPN for tools. PayPal. Scale. Automate your outreach. Hire on Upwork. Create courses later. If you're ready to start one of these today, like this video, subscribe, and comment hustle below. I'll reply with my free starter prompt pack, plus gig templates. Links in description. Affiliates for ElevenLabs, N8 and Claude. Go! Take action now. 2026 is your breakthrough year. See you in the comments. Subscribe.